Now we're gonna talk about vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, one of my two favorite ingredients that you should be incorporating into your daily skincare routine. Vitamin C is great for brightening, it's great for removing hyperpigmentation, fading out acne scars, it's great for getting that glow. Vitamin C comes in all shapes and forms, so we have some great options over here. It can come in liquid form like a toner or these serums or even an oil. And also one of my favorite products is these detoxifying eye patches, which are great if you have dark under eye circles. A great option that you can incorporate into your morning skincare routine is this toner from Pixi. If you're looking for a more concentrated version, you can go for one of these serums. For example, the C.E.O. from Sunday Riley, or the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum from Henriksen. If you have tired-looking skin, then this mask from Summer Fridays is a great option. If you have a little bit of dull under eyes and you want to brighten your under eye area, then these eye patches from Pixi are great to pop in the morning for 15 minutes and then voila, bright eyes. Pro tip, guys, if you want to depuff your under eye, make sure you pop these in the fridge and then use them every morning for a cooling depuffing effect. Next, hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a great moisturizer because it's literally like a magnet. So when you put it on your skin, it draws moisture from the outside and helps it sink deeper into your skin. So we have some great options for hyaluronic acids that you can easily incorporate into your skincare routine. For example, this mask from Summer Fridays, which you can use day and night if you feel like your skin is looking for that extra quench of thirst. If you're looking for something daily, you can use this moisturizer from Origins. And one of my favorites is the All Day Hydrator from Sephora collection, which I like to use as a primer before my makeup. And if you're looking for something a little bit more intense to work overnight, then the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair is a great option for you. And if you have a little bit of time and you want to be a little bit extra, these two masks from Wishful are a great option to get that hydration in. I hope I got you guys excited about hydrating your skin as much as I am. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below and we'll make sure to answer. See you next time. Bye!
Sephora, the unlimited power of beauty.